you'd expect that its short interest will be in double digits. But so far, what we have seen is just a short interest of roughly 8%. So yesterday it gained around 15%. Yesterday's trading session, it's unchanged. In this pre-market session, intraday high 21.23. A couple of issues that analysts been raising, prioritizing companies prioritizing buybacks and has not been able. There was a $27 million loss because of currency fluctuations. So they're not the market analysts are not impressed with the company's financial discipline, amongst other things. And then there's also the promotional allegations and non-observance of disclosure rules and all that. So a lot of things going on, but I think traders they find that such skepticism, such criticisms as you know they find them fascinating. It's usually the stuff that will galvanate. Is it galvanate? Is it galvanize market participants, especially retail hands. But yeah, it's I think all of these are what's been keeping GRRR. Yeah, it's if not the meme stock, it's making it makes it quite popular. It makes it interesting. It's a stock a lot of retail hands watch. So in any case, this is its daily chart. The underlying trend is still bullish. We have a diverse range of projections. Yeah, we have quite a diverse range. Yes, we have still in play right now. We still have 19.86 down projection, and then upper projections 21.58 to 22.65. Lower prices are being extrapolated. This is expected to remain in place all the way towards early July. So we have a distributive contraction, or a distributive contraction is expected to play out. But there's no guarantee that that will be the case. Absolutely not. There's no guarantee. It could be something totally different. Let's see now. We could try and see what they. I believe they. Okay, we can try and see what the price pressure momentums are indicating. Let's see. Let's apply especially in the very short time, the very short term time frame. Let's look at the. No, sorry, this is the wrong thing. Market grid. Okay, we just quickly have a look at the market grid now. Market grid is saying that the stock is trading right outside of its market grid. No, we're trading within its market grid, isn't it? The top of that is top of the market grid is 18.73, and the stock closed at 20.52. So it's trading. Yeah, I believe I'm seeing right. Yes, it's trading right. Sorry, it's trading right outside of its price of its market grid, indicating that it's indicating among a lot of things, a couple of things. It's indicating that yes, this is the market grid, this is where it's supposed to be trading, but it's asserting its momentum, is asserting its strength, and saying no, you're not going to catch me in this grid. I'm right outside of this. You better wake up and come and meet me where I am. So it can mean a lot of things. So if it doesn't have enough momentum, it's going to fall back into that grid. So that's pretty much yeah. That's also what it implies. But let's see, quickly have a look at the 4 hour chart and see where it lies on its market grid. Okay, in the 2 hour, in the 4 hour chart, it's right inside that market grid. So here it's saying yes, this is on this 4 hour chart is much more. It's more reactive. It's much more. It's less. Let me just put it this way. It's less critical. It's more reactive. It's catching up with what's going on with the stock. It's catching up with the interest from market participants, retail hands, But on the daily chart, it's more of yeah, come back home, it's raining. Come back home, it's raining, and it's the stock. It's saying, look, I need to be you. There are things to be done here. Don't stay. Don't stay there and be crying wolf and all that. So let's see now. I wanted to have a look at its price pressure momentum. Yeah, the first one, price pressure momentum one. Let's see what it tells us down here. It's what's the value? Yeah. Price pressure momentum is let's see whether we can pick it up from down here. Yeah, it's 2.272. So it's in a very, the angle of attack of its 10-day moving average is very strong, indicating that that moving average is in trend, is in trend mode, and highly the probability of it remaining above that of the probability of the price remaining above that moving average is also very strong, very high. We could just also go back to the daily chart and see, on the 4 hour chart, and see. On the 4 hour chart as well, that's equally the case. The that moving average is in trend mode, and also the probability of it remaining above that moving average is also very high as well. So yeah, that's let's see now what we can make of in this 4 hour chart in terms of projections. What do we have? We have 20.31 downward projection, 20.96. Not a lot of projections, not a no upper projections on this on the 4 hour chart. Let's have a look. Okay, we could also have a look at other charts and see whether we can find extrapolation here on the 4 hour chart is that lower prices is some contraction, some distributive contraction is expected all the way towards Friday the 13th of June. So we could have a look at other charts and see what whether we can where we'll find any projections. Yeah, here we have unfortunately a distributive contraction is expected. Let's see. We don't have any upper projections. Let's see now. Let's go to the 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, let's see what we have. Higher prices are extrapolated, and we have no upper projection 19.51. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and see. Yeah, okay. Well, ultimately, high prices are expected to be remaining. Yeah, it's expected to print high prices all the way towards by Friday the 6th, by tomorrow the 6th of June. So here we're looking for upper projections, but we can't find any. No. Downward projections 19.86, $20, 20.22. We can jump all the way to the single digit minute charts. We may find some projections here. We have 20.54 upper projection slightly, 20.90, 29.98, 21.98, isn't it? And then 21.19. Yeah, let's see now. Let's see. There's one. Yeah, those the same sort of projections. Let's have a look at the 2 minute chart and see. On the 2 minute chart, we have 20.38 downward projection, 20.28 downward projection, 20.21 downward projection, 20.94 upper projection, 21.13 upper projection, 21.26. Yeah, there's usually sometimes some radical projections on these minute charts. It just gives you an impression of the sort of things it can do. Yeah, same as we had on the 2 minute. Let's go to 5 minutes and see. On the 5 minute, we have upper projections 20.97. Yeah, pretty much like what it was in the other on the other mini charts. So yeah, that's what's going on, and see what you make of GRRR. And thank you very much for watching this video.